Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one application using which you can share your headphone with your friends, and you can play two songs simultaneously, one in your left ear and in your right headphone. So it's called Duo Music. You can go to the App Store. You can choose the song that you want to play in your left one and the one that you want to play in the right one. So let me choose the song. Now if you go back, you see this left, right. If I play with both of them simultaneously, you can hear. See, both are playing. From a headphone which is left and right separate, then two people can hear it comfortably. I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.